What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Okay, so I got another reaction video for you guys today. I know that this might not be as interesting, but the video that I'm gonna be reacting to, Hell's Kitchen's funniest moments. So Gordon Ramsay's best moments in Hell's Kitchen. It's a cooking show. I was addicted to it a long time ago. It actually inspired me to cook more, and I enjoy it. And now I enjoy cooking just after watching Hell's Kitchen. So right now I'm gonna react to the best of Gordon Ramsay's on Hell's Kitchen. All right, let's get into it.
Joseph, let's be honest. That's a pretty solid battalion you've got there, isn't it?
Right now it is.
Who's the first nominee for the men?
They can speak for themselves, but they know who they are.
Hey, smartass, I asked you to tell me.
Damn.
Who's the first nominee and why?
No problem. Tony and Andy.
Listen, I know you may be slightly stupid. First nominee and why?
First nominee and why? Tony. He knows why. We sat down as a group, we didn't want to pick each other. You know? No peer pressure. We're men.
Just, what do you want, a fucking medal?
What do you want me to fucking say? What do you want me to say? They know who they fucking are. We chose as a group, and they stood out and they said they belong there. Saying up, they know who they are.
I got some snacks too.
Listen,
You guys have to try these. I tried them yesterday. After I tried one, I was addicted to it. I went back and bought 4 more today. Seaweed snacks, teriyaki.
Is that fucking clear?
That's clear.
Thank you. Unbelievable. One simple request, who and why, and you make a big fucking song and dance about it.
I ain't no fucking bitch, chef. I don't give a fuck. I ain't no bitch.
What?
I'm not no bitch.
He's trying to bring the best out of you. You gotta look past
Take the
it.
best out of me.
Yeah, show some respect.
Shut your fucking mouth. What did you do right now?
Come on, man.
Oh my
I
God.
don't give a fuck about you. We come here for you.
You want to be an executive chef?
Shut your fucking mouth.
Oh, God.
You signed up to fucking learn and grow and do this, dude.
Okay. Answer the fucking question.
You keep talking like this out in the fucking parking lot. I don't give a fuck. What do you want me to say?
I asked the fucking question, you give the fucking answers.
Fuck that shit, dog. I ain't here, right? You want a fucking jacket? Wanna talk some shit? Let's go step outside, motherfucker. I ain't here for that, dog. Let's go step outside, motherfucker. You wanna talk about fucking fighting?
Oh, wow.
You wanna get fucking rough?
Do you think I'm scared? Huh? Look at you.
Yeah,
You just blow your...
cameras.
Yeah, fuck the cameras.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We can step
It's
outside.
over here. I asked you one simple question, and you couldn't fucking answer me. And then you want to get all tough and up close and personal.
Fuck you.
There you go.
You ain't no but a bitch.
You got no respect.
No respect.
Now get out.
Fuck you. You fucking bitch. Fuck all y'all. You heard?
Watch the step.
Yeah, watch this cat, bitch.
What an idiot. Total shame.
I don't need this or that. I don't need some whiny fucking...
I've never seen this episode before. I watched from season 1 to 3, and then I just stopped watching it. I didn't see this episode gets eaten on this show.
Fuck him. Fuck him.
And that is insane.
Chef, we ran out of the so special. What? I've got 3 on order!
We ran out of Dover Soul. Oh man, this is gonna be real ugly.
Oh no.
This sucks.
Embarrassing. Fuck.
It's a very bad situation. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we have to figure something out quickly.
Get out there and tell them you're dragging two. I need to go to the customers and tell them you fucked it up.
I should know the jacket. I can't go out there with this
Hey,
jacket.
come here, you. If I tell you to get out there, I don't give a fuck if you got a thumb up your fat crack. Get out there!
Hey.
Hey,
I can't. I start shooting.
hey, listen, fuck off out there, will you?
I can't.
Put it down and get out there!
Lambats, yes?
Got 5 minutes.
Oh, no. Lambats, I want in fucking 4 minutes. I'm not doing it as you please, Jeff. If I had to listen to you all night long, no one would get served. I'll do the lamb if you can't do it. Yeah, come here, you. Come here.
What?
Do you know why? Because you thought those were shot. You just think it can suit you. Look at them out there. Look at those tickets.
I understand, Chef.
Move your ass!
I finished the seaweed chips. I actually have more though. We get them. I have more. I'm telling you, you guys have to try these if you haven't tried them. They taste a little bit like the ramen that I ate. Which, if you guys haven't seen that video, you should go watch it. Tastes a little bit like that, but they're chips. So. I'm like I'm just gonna eat them until I get tired of them. I'll probably go back and get some more. At HEB, they sell them.
The men have picked up momentum and have served 3 more tables their appetizers.
You finish it.
Thanks, please. Pick up.
There's no pumpkin in it. And this is like ordering risotto with no rice.
Table 1, VIP, yes? Keys? Yes. How long? Order keys, though, yes? Let me just serve this table. Why? There's no pumpkin in my risotto. Right, can you get out of the way? Or spaghetti or risotto? Yes? Are you going to walk into that room and don't want to find a talk? Right, well, I'll get you more pumpkin. I'll ram it right over your fucking arse. Would you like it whole or dice? Can we get security and get Knob back to the seat, please, yeah?
It's mine, Chef. Chris. Executive Chef.
Executive chef.
Executive Chef.
Could you explain to me what it is?
Salmon roasted on a plank of cedar.
I think you're a plank.
Well, I don't really know what that means, Chef.
Plank means an idiot. Why is it raw on the bottom?
Well, it's medium rare. That's how I would eat my salmon.
You need to clean your glasses. It's raw.
I would agree,
Let me tell you something, and listen to me. You've got a lot to learn. To be a good plank, get back in line. Yeah. 2 salmon well done. Can you just shut the fuck up for 30 seconds? 2 salmon well done. 1 lamb, 1 Wellington. Yes? Let's go. Just ignore these bimbos. Hey, stop. Let's go. 2 salmon well done, yes?
Nobody will listen to us.
Worrying where the fucking food is. Do you get it? Service and standards are far more important than some fucking bimbo.
You have to eat them like this too. Like fold them up and just.
Come on, please, the duck! Gary!
Yes, Chef.
Where's the cabbage? Come on, Garrett!
Go.
Keith and Garrett, they just got all quiet. None of you are working as a team. Where's the lamb sauce?
Come on, man.
I just need it.
Just go in.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Right here, Chef. I
Lamb
have it.
sauce is coming up.
There's just nothing coming together.
Right here, Chef.
Thank you very much.
Not a problem, Chef.
Fuck off, you fat, useless sack of fucking Yankee danky doodle shite. Fuck off, will you please, yeah?
They only need turning once, Sarah. Otherwise they become overcooked, yes? Are they overcooked?
Yes, Chef, they are.
Oh, come on.
You gotta watch the scallops.
Thank you, Heather. I've got it.
Lissy,
This step.
if you saute scallops in a non-stick pan, they won't stick. That's why it's called fucking non-stick. I don't know what non-stick means in Texas, sweetheart, but fuck me.
This step.
Hey, step 35. Hello, stop. Hey, let's stop. Come here, you idiot. Now, I'm fucking adding up. What I'm trying to tell you in your fucking eyeballs, that the quail is spaghetti now. Right. Yeah, and you're putting the quail.
No, I have the ones there.
That's fucking order there.
God. The duck's burned! You're cooking in a burnt pan, you fucking dick! Oh my God, leave it, leave it, leave it! Just fucking leave it! You're gonna blow fire in your face, you fucking donkey! Keith, yes chef, get on the meat section and stay next to him and don't let him cook a fucking thing! And you, open those big eyes and watch what the fuck this guy's doing. Yes chef. Shut it and watch. Shut it!
He be getting so mad too, like you can just see it in his face. He be looking like a dog, like an angry dog, like when he gets angry. Anyway, shout out to Chef Ramsay, man. He inspired me to cook, to get in the kitchen and like make something. Like after watching Hell's Kitchen for that, like I was bored, so I started watching all the seasons of Hell's Kitchen and inspired me to cook. So, you know, obviously it does something good, even though it's funny at the same time. Like it's inspirational, like watching the competitions and stuff. Like I'm like a low-key, I watch all of Chef Ramsay's video, all of his shows. He doesn't just have Hell's Kitchen. There's more than that, which I might do more reactions to more of his videos. But you know what? That's it for today. That's the end. If you thought that was funny, I'll do more. I'll probably do another one pretty soon, but that's that. All right, bye.